Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel the CapCut subscriptions. So if you already joined the CapCut Pro or subscribe to the CapCut Pro and you want to cancel that subscription, here's how you are going to do it. So if you are using an Android, this is what you need to do. You need to log in into your CapCut account first, and you can visit the CapCut website and click on login at the top left of the page. And after you log in, you can go to the account settings in the sidebar menu, and it will provide you access to your account informations, including the billings and subscription options. And here you can just look for a button labeled as cancel subscription or something similar in account settings, and after that you can just tap on that cancel subscription button and it will take you to the confirmation page, and you can just confirm that you want to cancel your subscriptions, and after that your subscription will be canceled immediately and your membership privileges will expire after the current billing period. So that's on Android. But if you are using iOS, so if you are using iOS, to cancel the CapCut subscription on iOS, you can start by opening the settings on your device and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen and just select subscriptions from the next screen. And once the subscription page loads, you will see a list of your subscription along with their payment due dates, and you can just find the CapCut app in the then just tap on it to cancel your subscription. A pop-up notifications will appear asking you to confirm the cancellations, and you can just click on confirm to ensure that you will not be charged for the future. So that's very much all. The result is for the CapCut apps. So if you want to cancel your CapCut subscription, just follow the steps that I'm showing you before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.